Better back down, you're in my domain. Got the whole crowd screaming out our name. It's a blowout, it's a hurricane. It's over before you know it. Why you shaking? We're a dynasty in the making. We're the royalty. Now we're breaking down the enemy. Move over. Soldiers, take a swing, I can take a hit. If we die, it's fine. We live for this. It's all for this. We're gonna stand on top with our hands in the sky. Gonna raise our cup to the stadium lights for the glory, for the glory. We celebrate with the city tonight. Hear the whole town cheer. It's the ultimate high for the glory. We pray for the
You're the one that never lets me sleep. To my mind, down to my soul, you touch my lips.
Ikaw ang taong hindi ko inasahan, pero ikaw ang pinili ng puso ko. Sa dami ng pinagdaanan ko, dumating ka sa buhay ko, dala ang pagmamahal na buo, hindi lang para sa akin, kundi para sa anak ko.
I am all alone without you. My days are dark without a glimpse.
Dumating na rin yung araw na pinakahihintay natin. Dati akala ko hindi na mangyayari to. Pero pag si Lord talaga ang nagplano sa buhay mo, ibibigay niya para sa'yo.
Your love is like the sun that lights up my whole world. I feel the warmth inside.
Masaya ang lahat sa araw na to, lalo kayo.
Love is like the river
Pangako mo,
flows down
paglaban mo,
my veins. I feel the chill
ang pag-ibig mo.
inside.
Ngayon mangangako kayo na kayo magmamahalan sa hirap at ginhawa. Yun ang sisikapin ninyong tuparin habang kayo nabubuhay.
Every time I hear our music play, reminds me of the things that we've been through.
Hindi ko makakalimutan kung paano mo kami minahal ng walang alinlangan. At doon ko napatunayan na ikaw ang lalaking gusto kong makasama habang buhay.
Heart, the reality is you.
Bago tayo mapunta sa yugtong ito, napakarami ang pinagdaanan natin, kaya ang masasabi ko ay pinagtibay niya muna tayo dahil alam niyang mas marami tayong pagsubok na haharapin.
Feel complete. The flowers bloom, the morning shines, and I can't see. Your love is like the sun that lights up my whole world. I feel the warmth inside. Your love is like the river that flows down through my veins. I feel the chill inside. Your love, your love, your love, your love. Your love is like the river that flows
makita na ang pag-ibig ni Kristo ay pwedeng mangyari ngayon, na mayroong forever kung ipaglalaban mo ang pag-ibig mo.
Looks like we made it. Look how far we've come, my baby. We might have took the long way. We knew we'd get there.
Wendy, bukal ba sa iyong kalooban ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Joey na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Yes po, Father.
Joey, bukal ba sa iyong kalooban ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Wendy na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Yes, Father.
You're still the one I run to, the one that I belong to.
Boss, kailanman hindi kita pagtataksilan. Suot mo ang singsing na ito bilang tanda ng aking pagmamahal. Sa ngalan ng Ama at ng Anak at ng Espiritu Santo.
Ain't nothing better. We beat the odds together. I'm glad we didn't listen. Look at what we would be missing. They say
Kailanman, hindi kita pagtataksilan. Isuot mo ang singsing nito bilang tanda ng aking pagmamahal. Sa ngalan ng Ama, ng Anak, at ng Espiritu Santo.
you're still the one I run to, the one that I belong to. You're still the one I want for life.
I promise to love you in every season of your life. Sa saya man o sa hirap, I will stand by you, support you at magiging tahanan mo sa lahat ng pagkakataon. Pangako ko na alagaan kita, iintindihin kita at pipiliin kita araw-araw kahit sa mga panahong mahirap.
You're still the one I run to, the one that I belong to. You're still the one I want for life. You're still the one that I love, the only one I dream of. You're still the one I kiss.
Lapakan po natin ang bagong kasama.
I'm so glad we made it. Look how far we've come, my baby.